Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, check out this quick and easy lemon garlic butter scallop recipe. Look how beautiful this look. So right here I have 400 grams of scallops, right? And I'm just going in with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it all together. And I'm just gonna let it sit and marinate for a couple of minutes before I start the cooking process. So right here I have 60 grams of unsalted butter, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon of chives, 1/2 teaspoon of dill, 5 cloves of garlic, some parsley and a lemon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set these aside. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finely chop my garlic. Alright guys, if you reach this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button, right, alongside with that notification bell, just to keep you up to date on all the latest video each and every week. Just help me to keep bringing you content like these. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finally chop my parsley. With my stove on medium high, I'm now going in with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And I'm just gonna go ahead and toss my skillet round a bit, just to level the oil in the bottom of the skillet. Now that my oil is hot, I'm now going in with my scallops. I'm just gonna add everything at once because I don't want to waste that nice delicious seasoning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stir this for about 3 minutes. After searing for about 3 minutes, I'm now going in with 60 grams of unsalted butter. Also gonna add my finely chopped garlic. And guys, trust me, the aroma that is coming out of this pot right now is just remarkable. Alright, so now I'm going in with my dill, also my chives, and my crushed red pepper. Now I'm going in with 1/2 cut freshly squeezed lemon juice. Guys, trust me, wow, you should be smelling this right now, trust me. Alright guys, so here I have the finishing product right here. How it look? Look delicious, right? Taste delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice.